Hello, my dear viewers. If you are planning to write JAMB and WAEC in 2026, that we are, I would like you to pay attention and let me help you to solve a question involving geometric progression. Let's see the question. The second and the fifth term of a geometric progression, GP, are 1 and 1 divided by 8. So we have to find the common ratio, first term, and what? Eighth term. So what do you need to know? First, for a GP, there's what we call nth term. And the nth term of a geometric progression is given as AR to the power of n minus 1, where n is the number of term, a is the first term, and R is called common ratio. So let's go back to the question. The question says the second term. So the second term, n will become 2. That's T2 is equal to, that's AR to the power of n will also be 2. 2 minus 1, that's what? 1, right? So what is the second term? The second term is 1. That means that AR to the power of 1 is equals to 1. This will be equation 1. And the fifth term, that is T5, you know, T5. Anyway, you see N, you change it to 5. That's AR to the power of 5 minus 1. And that T5 is what? 1 divided by 8. So by solving, you have AR 5 minus 1, we give 4, equal to 1 divided by 8. This will become what? Equation 2. So we have to find the common ratio, first term and eighth term. So what we're going to do is we are going to solve equation 1 and 2. Now, what are you going to do? You are going to say divide equation 2 by 1, as the case may be. You may divide equation 1 by 2, or you can divide equation 2 by 1. Right, so equation 2 is AR to the power of 4 divided by equation 1 is AR must be equal to 1 divided by 8 in equation 2 divided by what? By 1, right? So from here you have A, we cancel out A. So here is R, we cancel out 1 R in R to the power of 4. It will remain R to the power of 3 is equals to 1 over 8 divided by 1. That's what? 1 divided by 8. Right. So what do we do next? We are going to cube root both sides. Now to take away this power 3 here, you say cube root both sides. So it becomes, this is the meaning of cube root. So you cube root both sides. So the cube root cancel the cube here. So therefore R is the common ratio. So the third root of 1 is 1, and the third root of 8 is what? 2. What do I mean by third root? What will you multiply by itself in 3 places? That will give us 8, and that's what? 2. So therefore, the common ratio, the what? The common ratio is equal to 1 divided by 2. If you are watching me for the first time, my name is Tutor Coco, and I'd like you to tap the follow button and share this video. Alright, so we have solved question A. So quickly, let's solve question B. Question B says we should find the first term. So what I will need to do is just substitute. You substitute R equal to 1 over 2 into, you can use either equation 1 or equation 2, any one of our choice. So let's use equation 1. That's AR is equal to 1. That's equation 1. So I will replace R as what? 1 divided by 2 equal to 1. Right? This will give A divided by 2 equal to 1. Therefore, A is equal to 2. So the first term is equal to what? 2. Right, to end the equation, question C says we find the what? Eighth term. So I'm still going to come to general nth term of a GP. So it becomes T8 is equal to AR to the power of 8 minus 1. That's what? 7. So T8 equal to, the value for A is 2. You multiply by, and the value for R is what? 1 divided by 2, all to the power of 7. Can you see? So finally, you're going to have T8 equals to 2 times 1 divided by what? That's 2 to the power of 7. So to cancel 2 here, out of 7 here, it will remain 2 to the power of 6. So finally, T8 is equals to 1 divided by 2 to the power of 6. Of course, 2 to the power of 6 is what? 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. That should be, that's 64. That's 64. So, ladies and gentlemen, we are done solving this question. This question is a standard Y and JAM question. Thank you. Don't forget to follow my page. Bye.